Welcome to STEM Playground. This is a quick tutorial on how to register for STEM Playground and how to input your school, your class or classes, your students, and the teams you assign them to. Let's get started. So let's start by selecting the Sign Up button here. This is going to take us to a basic sign up page where we're going to input our sign up information. And when we're done, we will go ahead and click Sign Up. At this point, you will see a thank you page with a link over to common email providers. In this case, you will probably need to go to your emails junk box and look for an email from STEM Playground. And here we see the Playground or STEM Playground email. We're going to go down here and confirm the email address. And we see that we are confirmed. So we will go click Login. And we will log in. Now once you're logged in, the website is going to ask you what your school is. So here is where we will do that. First question you're going to ask is where your school is located. In this case, it's United States. It's going to ask you the zip code of your school. I will say our school is in Chicago and the 60610 zip code. It's going to do a search of schools that are already in STEM Playground's database, and it tells me that the search found no schools registered yet with STEM Playground. I'm going to click My School is Not Listed, and I'm going to fill in my school's information. And we will hit Submit School Info. Now it's going to ask us to add a new class. You can name your class anything you want to. We'll just call this Steve's STEM Wizards. And we will say it's a 4th grade class. Now one thing with this sign up that if you put various, let's say you have an after school class and it's got various grades, you would want to select various here. Now the only thing with this is that you will only be able to compare your scores with classes that also have various grades. In this case, we're just going to say we have a 4th grade class. I'm going to select Add Class. And okay, that worked. We see Steve's STEM Wizards up here, and we can go on to Proceed to Edit Students. This is where we will add our students. You can add up to 31 students per class. Now, one thing about this page here, we do not want you to divulge the personal information of your students, so we are only going to collect the last initial. So we will fill out the student information for 4 students. Okay, now that we have our 4 students, we are going to say we are done adding students and we'd like to proceed to edit the teams. We will open up the class, and here we see the 4 students, and we're going to assign them to teams. So on the first team, Team 1, we'll go with Emily K. and Jason B. And Team 2, James K. and Haley Y. We're going to save the teams. And once you have saved one team, at least one team with 2 students on it, you can proceed to your activity board where you can look at the activities that you will be able to enroll in. And here we are on the activity board. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please email Steve at STEM Playground. Thank you.